Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Monday to Friday, 25th, it starts with only one day holiday, that is 26th January. So this is a short session, as you know, because of the pandemic we can't have a very long session. But we have tried to accommodate as much of business, government business, as well as private business as possible. Normally, as per the business rules of the house, only 2 calling attentions are allowed. We have allowed 3 calling attentions per day. So that the members of the Legislative Assembly, whether opposition or ruling, can raise important issues. Yeah, there are 5 bills which have been listed and which came up in the last session as well. So they will also be taken up for consideration, passing. And Goa regulation of house building advance bill, Goa non-biodegradable garbage control amendment bill, Goa fiscal responsibility and budget management bill, the Goa municipalities amendment bill, the Goa motor vehicles amendment and taxation on passenger and goods amendment bill. So these are the 5 bills which will come up in this particular session. On 29th, we have the private members business day.
सेशन जरी 4 दीस असले, एक्चुअली 3च दीस खरें सेशन जाता. एक दीस मदीं 26 जानेवारी हॉलिडे आनी पयलो दीस पळय आहा तो गव्हर्नर्स एड्रेस आसा. त्या दिसा बिझनेस कांय जायना. एक डिमांड जो आमी केला क्लियरली सगळ्यांनी की मार्च म्हयन्यांत फूल फ्लॅश सेशन जावचें. तातूंत भितर बजेट सेशन जें जातलें तें फूल फ्लॅश घेवचें. म्हणजे सगळ्यांक आमकां 20-21 दिसाचें तातूंत भितर बजेटूय पास करपाक जाता आनी ताजेर डिस्कशनूय जातलें आनी सगळे क्वेश्चन सब्जेक्ट सगळे आमकां डिटेल वचपाक मेळटलें. सगळे मेंबरांचें सजेशन आशिल्लें की ह्या सेशनाक 3च दीस मेळटा आमकां वर्कींग. 3 दिसां भितर आमकां कमीत कमी एक 5 तरी कॉलिंग एटेन्शनां एक दिसाक घेवपाक दिवचीं. 5 कॉलिंग एटेन्शनां घेतलीं जाल्यार 5 × 15 जाता. आतां ताजेर डिस्कशन जालें, ताजेर भरपूर चर्चा जाली. गव्हर्मेंट 5 दिवपाक सोदना. गेल्ल्या वर्सा 7 दीस सेशन जालां. ह्या वर्साची सुरवात, ह्या नवें वर्स 2021 ह्या वर्साची सुरवातच आमची जाता 3 दिसाचें सेशनान.
National education policy and its impact in the state. Then on the Tanmar project and the Madai case. These are joint questions which are likely to come. The third day, we are exposing the land conversion scam. These people wanted to convert the biggest missionaries. The San Francis Xavier परस व्हडले कन्वर्जन करपाक आयिल्ले मनीस. हे हांचें जें कन्वर्जन चालू आहा ताजेर आमचो एक क्वेश्चन आहा 49(6) म्हळ्यार NOC फॉर सेल.